woke us up in the morning. कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो?
We're just going for a drive यार. मतलब the snowfall today was not expected. So it was really nice to see everything white and it was snowing very heavily.
Yeah.
But now it's about 12 o'clock and it stopped snowing and it's melting. But we're going towards Sonamarg, so I'm hoping वहाँ पे बहुत सारी snow मिल रहा है and probably snowfall also. It's really nice to drive in the snowfall.
So this is one excited husband who wakes us up early on a Sunday morning and tells us to get ready and just sit in the car. We are not sure where we're going. So let's see. Chalo. Think there's blizzard outside?
Yes. There's a blizzard happening outside. It's quite windy and the snow is coming down quite fast. And, the road is quite slippery at this point of time, so you have to be very careful. But it's amazing. It's really nice.
And your children want to get down now.
Yes.
They've been bored sitting in the car for too long.
We'll be stopping in a while. Are you feeling cold?
It's nice, Jill. Nice.
Yeah,
I'm liking
nice.
the breeze and the snow falling on our faces.
Yes, it's very nice. There's not much traffic here. 1 or 2 cars we've seen so far. There's a Maruti Alto coming behind us. The surface is quite slippery at this point of time because the frozen snow is actually becoming like ice. How are you guys feeling?
It's cold, but it's very nice.
Really?
Can
Are
you
you
shiver?
enjoying it?
Can you shiver and show?
Mari,
That's okay.
why are you wearing the mask?
Because I can't stand in the snow.
Why, it's hitting your face?
Yeah, it's hitting my face. It's hitting our eyes also. Is it on our eyes? Eyes?
No.
And this is a snowman, a black snowman.
This is how powder snow looks like. Ah, nice. What are you guys doing? What did you finish? Have you guys found a shelter? Yeah. Nice, huh?
There's a cave in there.
Yeah. Right there. ज़्यादा ठंड हो रही है,
जम गए हम लोग.
तो हम लोग अभी गाड़ी मोड़ के वापस जा रहे हैं.
वो poor animals यार ऐसे मतलब it's very cool.
The kind of snow we experienced today, you don't get to experience it every day, and in these kind of temperatures. Now it's been snowing proper, and we are driving slow, of course, because the road is very, very slippery, and it's getting darker as well. But it was good fun.
And the children are asleep.